everybody, it's Geek Girl Cook here. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, thank you for stopping by, and hopefully the information I give you will make you want to come back for more. Today we're going to make some oatmeal cookies. Real fast, easy, simple oatmeal cookies. Simple as that. Oatmeal raisin cookies. Alright, I'll be right back. We're going to get started. Alright. So let's get started on these here cookies. First, we're going to put our butter. Unsalted, room temperature butter. Alright. We put that in. Then this is a cup of brown sugar. Make sure you get your hands in there and get rid of the lumps and bumps. All right. Now we're I'm going to put a whole tablespoonful of vanilla because I like it. All right. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in and incorporate this. Just trying to get all of it mixed up. The butter with the sugar. And the vanilla. Oh, all right. So in this bowl here, let me just move this to the side. My work area is very small. I could have used a bigger area, but sometimes it's a lot of work to transport things back and forth. All right. So in this here, I have a cup and a half of oatmeal. Okay. I was going to use some white sugar, but I don't think so. Just going to go with the brown sugar today. We're going to make it really simple. All right. So we're going in with the flour. I'm going to put some flour in the oatmeal. We're going to use a cup. 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'll put it right in there with the oats. I'm going to use a teaspoon of baking soda. Teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to put a pinch of salt, not much. It's about a 1/4 teaspoon. That's it. I don't know if you see that, but all right. Let me just shake this around a little bit. All right. One second, I'm right behind you guys. I'm right behind you. All right. Gonna put some cinnamon in here now. I'm gonna use a tablespoon full of cinnamon. Tablespoon. All right. All right, so let me just move it around. Okay. So what I'm gonna do right now is put this in my butter and brown sugar mixture. I'm gonna blend this up a little more. All right, now I'm gonna just add that in. I'm gonna do this before I put it in before I put my mixture in mixer, so all the powdery stuff won't splash all over the place. All right, so now I'm going in with my mixer. Now I'm gonna put my egg in it, but I'm gonna crack my egg to the side. We don't want no egg shells, and we don't want no bag eggs. All right, let me check it out. Yep. Put this in there. Sounds good. All right, let me see the texture. Good. All right, so I said it's gonna be oatmeal raisin. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use about, I'll say a half a cup. That might be too much. I'm gonna go in with a 1/3 cup of raisins. About a 1/3 of raisins. Let's see what that look like. Might as well put them all in with the hay. What the hay? What the hay? All right. Oh yeah, that look like enough raisins. All right, so, oh, perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Just so we can get this chill and it'll form just right. Alright, so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. Now we're going to put these bad boys together. These mamma jammas together. I'm going to put gloves on. My hands are clean, but I'm going to be working with them, so I just like to do this. Alright, if you have a non-stick pan, good. If not, this is parchment paper. You put it there in your dish. So, let me see something. Yeah, maybe that's better. I don't know. Well, anyway, I don't have a cookie little scooper, so we doing this with our hand. I'm gonna make a little bowl. Now my oven is preheating at 375. So I'm gonna do 375 for about 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. These are very easy. Now, I forgot to tell you guys that the butter should definitely be room temperature, and the egg also. You want everything to combine nicely, and everything will combine nicely if it's at room temperature. You know, so that's what you want to do. Room temperature. This is so easy, right? You ever made these? If you haven't, what you waiting for? If you like oatmeal raisin cookies, let's get busy. See how easy it was? See how easy it was? Well, it is, because we not finished yet. You gotta cook. But you see, the prepping is very easy. Hopefully the cookies be all the same size, but if not, it's all good. Maybe I'm crowding it. Yeah, I'm not gonna, because when they spread, I really don't want them to touch. Alright, we're not gonna put no more on here. We're gonna make do with what we have, like this, trying to, you know, get them more space. Move you over. Wait a minute. Okay, put you there, and put you there. That's it, guys. So hopefully it turns out the way we want it to. I'm gonna put these in the oven for 10 minutes, and once they're done, I'll be back. All right, my good people, there you have it. We have cookies, oatmeal raisin cookies, but they are extremely hot. I just took them out. I had to leave them in a little longer than 10 minutes because they was really thicker than I anticipated. But what we're going to do now, we're going to let it cool down a little so I can take them off, and then I will return. All right, guys. So, oh, still a little hot. But I'm back. We're going to take them out now. Let's see at the bottom. Oh, look at that. Nice. Ooh. Nice. The parchment paper helps a lot if you don't have a non-stick baking pan. I have, but it's not big enough. I have the little ones. Smell delicious. move this out the way. All right, guys, here we have it. Oatmeal raisin cookies. Good. Let's see. Let's see if it's good. They look good. They hot now. Oh. Wow. Wow. These are delicious. Absolutely delicious. All right. So, I'll be right back. Well, that's the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you like what you see, that's all. It's free. Doesn't take anything to hit the subscribe button for me. Doesn't take anything to hit the like button for me. Doesn't take anything. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.